Shipping your car doesn't have to be stressful. Whether you're moving across the country, buying a car out of state, or sending one to a loved one, a little preparation can make the entire process smooth and worry-free. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to prepare your car for shipping, step by step, so your vehicle arrives safely and without surprises. Start by giving your car a good wash. A clean vehicle makes it easier to inspect for scratches, dents, or paint chips before pickup. Walk around your car and take clear photos of every angle: front, back, both sides, and close-ups of any existing damage. These photos are your record, and they'll help confirm your vehicle's condition at delivery. Carriers are licensed to transport vehicles, not household goods, but most allow up to 100 pounds of personal items. The safest place to store them is in your trunk. If you have something in the back seat, make sure it's below window level so the driver can see clearly out the rear when loading and unloading. If you need to add more than 100 pounds, that's usually possible. Just let us know ahead of time so we can coordinate with the driver. They'll consider both space and weight before accepting the load. Next, check your vehicle for leaks or maintenance issues. If you notice oil, coolant, or brake fluid dripping, get it fixed before pickup. Make sure your battery is charged, your tires are properly inflated, and the parking brake works. If your car doesn't start, has low ground clearance, or special modifications, let your shipping agent know. We'll match it with the right carrier and equipment. Your car only needs about a quarter tank of gas, just enough to drive on and off the trailer. A full tank adds unnecessary weight and can be a safety concern during transport. Turn off any car alarms before shipping. A blaring alarm during transport isn't fun for anyone, especially the driver. Also, remove toll tags or parking passes, since they can trigger charges while the car is being transported. Fold in your mirrors, retract antennas, and remove any roof racks, bike carriers, or decorative spoilers. Anything that sticks out increases the risk of scratches or damage during loading. When your driver arrives, you'll complete an inspection together called the Bill of Lading. This document lists your car's current condition and serves as your receipt. Review it carefully, make sure everything is accurate, and keep your copy safe. You'll use the same form when your car is delivered to confirm it arrived in the same condition. Once your car is on its way, stay in contact with your carrier or broker. Most drivers provide updates during transport and will call you a few hours before delivery to confirm timing and location. Preparing your car properly can save you time, money, and headaches later. At the Best Auto Shipping, we make the process simple, safe, and transparent from start to finish. If you're ready to ship your car, visit thebestautoshipping.com to get a free quote, or call us at 561-954-4673 to speak with a friendly transport specialist. Ship smart. Ship with confidence. The Best